Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to get Project Playtime on your mobile phone. So what is Project Playtime? That is basically a feature on your Steam PC application that gives you access to different statistics about your playtime on games and so on. So in order to do that, let's open our Google Chrome right here, and we'll have to search for download Project Playtime. So basically there is no official app on the mobile phone, but if you search this option on Google and you are going to scroll down right here, you should be able to find this option APK combo. So if you go to that option right here, you can see that there is this app Project Playtime, and you have this option right here, download APK. So if you choose that option, you can download the APK and then you can install this to your mobile phone. So this is all for today. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.